Hello friends, welcome to my channel. I am Savita and today's video is about a healing ritual using Zebu symbols. This is a very powerful healing ritual which you can do for anyone who is unwell or suffering from any disease. You can do this for any of your family members or friends. Okay, I will share the whole procedure, so please watch the video till the end. The Zebu symbols that we will use is healing symbol to heal from any physical problem. Next is healing embrace. This symbol helps to survive any health issue and it has a very strong healing power. Next, acceptance of optimum health. This symbol helps in complete recovery from any health issues. Next is release symbol. This symbol will help to release all the obstacles that is stopping the person from being healthy again. Next is blessing symbol, to bless the person with good health. And the last symbol that we will use is gratitude, to thank the universe for a healthy life for that person for whom you are doing the healing. Okay. Now you will take a paper and draw these symbols like this with a blue or a green pen. Okay. And you will write that person's name for whom you are doing the healing in the middle. I have written my name over here. You will burn an incense and you will keep a small bowl of salt. You can use any salt, and if you have the person's photograph, then you can keep the photograph of that person. Okay, and you will take a blue candle or a green candle, and if you do not have a blue or a green candle, then you can use a white candle. And if you are having all the three color candles, you can use all the three color candles in this ritual. Okay, then you will carve on the candle, that is, I have written my name, so I will write Savita is fully healthy and healed. Okay, so whatever the person's name you will write and write is fully healthy and healed. You can also write Savita is fully healthy, fit and fine. Okay, you can write. Then you will apply coconut or olive oil on the candle. You will apply it from top to bottom, and as you apply, you will continuously affirm and visualize the person to be completely healthy and normal. Okay, and then you will burn the candle and keep it on this paper. Okay, you will do this ritual for 7 days continuously. If you want, you can continue this ritual till the person is getting well. Okay, you will burn one candle each day. Okay, each day a new candle you will burn, and you will discard the remains of the candle and the salt every day in the dustbin or under any tree. Okay, have faith and do this. And if you have any doubt, then please write it in the comment section. And for more such videos, subscribe to my channel. Thank you and God bless you all.